I spent money for this. What is up guys, my name is Chase and today we are going to be unboxing the Google Stadia Premier Edition. I was gonna say I don't know why I bought this, but I do know why I bought this. I have a problem guys, I think I'm like obsessed with deals. Anytime I see a deal, I always have to jump on it. Google Stadia Premier Edition was 50% off at Best Buy. I'm gonna tell myself it's worth it. Also no, so I've actually been kind of interested in Stadia. So I know that Google Stadia has kind of been like the laughingstock as of lately. You know, Google thought that they could get into the whole gaming business and then I feel like not too many people ended up using Stadia. Alright, got it all undressed here. On the back it says, "One place for all the ways we play." Whatever that means. Let's open up this buddy. Very classy box. Wow! That's pretty classy, not gonna lie. Okay, Google, you're getting me. I know you're watching this, Google. So here's the Stadia controller. I am actually kind of interested because this controller honestly looks like a pretty comfortable controller. I mean, it looks like pretty basic as far as controllers go. So picking it up for the first time, okay. Ooh, okay. Oh, interesting. I don't know what my reactions are here, but okay. It's a weird cross between, I'd say like the Switch Pro controller and an Xbox controller. So, I mean, first things first, D-pad. Feels like an Xbox D-pad, which honestly isn't really my favorite thing. It's very clicky, but then the face buttons are more like Nintendo, not exactly like the Nintendo Switch Pro controller. I feel like the Switch Pro controller is more like squishy almost. This one isn't as clicky as the Xbox controller, but it's not as squishy as the Switch Pro controller, so it's like somewhere in between. Triggers are kind of analog. They feel kind of cheap, not gonna lie. These triggers aren't my favorite things. Sticks feel actually pretty similar to the Xbox One. Like they have a bit of like grip around like the tips of them. I mean, overall the weight, it's pretty weighty. I don't know if that's a word. I mean, it's pretty heavy, but I don't know, I feel like this controller might have even benefited from being a bit less heavy or lighter, as people say. Oh, and also, I just realized, we have a little butthole on the bottom. It's not a butthole. No, we have a little headphone port on the bottom. That's good. So inside the box we have charging cables. Yeah, it's a USB-C to a USB-A. And then I guess the brick is for the controller. You can actually plug your controller into a brick, which I feel like most companies don't do. That's pretty cool. I feel like anytime you open like a PlayStation controller or an Xbox controller, they only give you the cable, but this actually has a brick for the controller, so good stuff. You get 1 point there, Google. And then I'm guessing this is like quick start guide stuff. So controller, cables. Next up, we have the Chromecast. I don't know the model name, but we have a Chromecast of some sort. Chromecast Ultra, it says. So I have the, oh cool, it's magnetic. I like magnets, okay. You got me again, Google. The HDMI cable is magnetic. So yeah, I have like the regular Chromecast. I did an unboxing video of it a while ago. I think we got it for Christmas. I'd say the main use I've found for the Chromecast is to give like smart TV functions to TVs that don't already have smart TV functions. Anyway, so this is the Chromecast Ultra. We have a little peely bit here, so let's do that. Wow. Wow, and it's black. I imagine that's great for the environment. And then we also have the power for the Chromecast Ultra. Okay, yeah, it's like it's a regular old cable. We have another peely bit here. Let's peel it. Whoa, this is a weird one. Wow. So it is micro USB here on this side. And then it also has an Ethernet like jack in there, which is cool. But that is everything in the box, so we're gonna put this away nicely. Alright guys, so that was my unboxing of the Google Stadia Premier Edition. So we're gonna go set all this stuff up and I will probably have a little review video for you guys coming up soon. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you want to see more of my unboxing videos, make sure you check out some of the videos below. If you like this video, feel free to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring that notification bell. For now, my name is Chase and I will see you guys again soon. Bye.